this video, we are going to discuss water-cement ratio in concrete. Water-cement ratio is very important in achieving a good and durable concrete. When trying to achieve a good concrete, you should pay close attention to the water-cement ratio. It is very important. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, I make content on civil engineering. So if you are interested in this kind of content, hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thank you for subscribing. You are now part of the family. God bless you. Let's begin. What is water-cement ratio? Water-cement ratio is the amount of water to the amount of cement used in the concrete. And the amount are by weight. These two ingredients, the water and the cement, are responsible for binding everything together. The water to cement ratio largely determines the strength and durability of the concrete when it is cured properly. A water cement ratio of 0.4 means that for every 1,000 pounds of cement used in the concrete, 40 pounds of water will be added. Now let's take a look at the typical water cement ratios used in concrete mix. The first typical water cement ratio is from 0.6 to 0.7, and this is for normal ordinary concrete, and they are used for sidewalks and driveways. The second typical water cement ratio is 0.4, and this is used if a higher quality concrete is desired. So actually, a practical range of water cement ratio is from about 0.3 to over 0.8. A water cement ratio of 0.3 will make the concrete very stiff unless you use admixtures like super plasticizers in order to improve its workability. While a water cement ratio of 0.8 will make the concrete wet and fairly weak. So the simplest way of thinking of water cement ratio is that the greater the amount of water in the concrete mix, the more workable the concrete. While the lesser the amount of water in the concrete mix, the less workable the concrete. When the water cement ratio is too high, it not only affects the compressive strength of the concrete, but it also affects the tensile and flexural strength, the porosity, the shrinkage, and the color of the concrete. So you can think of it like an over-diluting grape Kool-Aid. The more water you add, the weaker the Kool-Aid becomes. So using a low water cement ratio is the usual way to achieve a high strength and a high quality concrete. But it is not guaranteed unless the aggregate gradation and proportion are balanced with the correct amount of cement paste. So good concrete will result from a good mix design, and a low water cement ratio is just one part of a good mix design. This is the meaning of water cement ratio in concrete. Thanks for watching. You all take good care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.